Hey families and Kipsters, it's Miss Cooper. I wanted to have a quick direction video on how to use different tools. For example, this one you'll be dragging the shapes into the bigger hexagon. So the hexagons that you'll see, you'll drag them into the bigger one. For those who are having problems with dragging the shapes into another area, you can use this tool in the toolbox where you go to select a line and you can select scribble. Scribble allows you to use this plus sign like a pencil, and so you'll be able to have your child circle the shape. The only nuisance about this is they have to go back each time to use the scribble tool. It just doesn't stay. They have to go back each time they need to circle a shape. They have to go back to scribble and select it. They can also do that for labeling. And so for my Kipsters, they can trace and we label our shapes. And so by labeling, we write the number. So we go 1, oops. And so be sure you might move the shape by accident. That's okay. I try to crop it as close as I can. So you'll go 1, 2. You got to go back to scribble. You see what I mean? You got to go back to scribble. 3. Go back to scribble. So it's a little bit of a nuisance. 4. Oh, wow. This is a nuisance. I actually might take this out. 4. 5. So have them they do not lift up. If they lift up, they have to go back to scribble, which is kind of annoying. 6. So we label the shapes and then they can go to shapes up here. And we also label the corners. So yeah, a little extra, but that's what I mean by labeling. They don't have to do all of that. They can also use the scribble tool to label the corners. That is a lot. That now that I did it, that can be an optional piece. And then for this one, you can have your child circle or move the word hexagon under. Same thing for real life, everyday life hexagons. They can move the real life hexagons into into the square, or circle the real life hexagons. For this one is also an optional piece. I wanted to give it a try and see how it works and how we like it. You can record yourself. You can go up to the tools and you can select voice typed speaker notes and you can select it. This will come up. So I'm going to say the attributes of a triangle when I click to speak. So, and you're going to see what happens. Watch. So the attributes of a triangle has 3 straight lines and 3 corners. And then you're going to press the microphone to turn it off. And so now I have my sentence. The attributes of a triangle has, so that's optional. I just want to see how it works and how we like it. You can select that by going to tools and going to voice type speaker notes. I'm hoping that you all have that capability on your end. If not, just make a note. And yeah, thank you so much. Bye.